Good morning. It's 22 on a Tuesday. Got a package. Just a little something. Yeah. Got me a little Mexican blanket. I just wanted to put a little color in here. I was looking at a video yesterday and I saw this guy's van. He does floors. And he did a really nice floor for his van, but its ceiling was awesome. It had a carpeted ceiling. I thought, what a great idea. It would be a great sound absorber, and I think it would warm it up in here. I could pick a color and it would be easy to install, just a couple of staples maybe, and then I can hide all my wires for the lights. I think that'll be a good fix. So if I can find a nice looking carpet, I could tack it up, maybe even just spray glue it. I'll leave a link in the description. It's my anti-Instagram club hoodie. I got t-shirts as well. I'll leave a link in the description. I hate Instagram, but gotta use it. I don't have enough followers yet to get any kind of monetization on this channel, so if you want to support a brother, buy a hoodie or a t-shirt. I think I'm gonna make some stickers of it too. Cleaned it up real nice. I like the tassels. I still gotta build a wall, but hey. Like, subscribe, share, watch the shorts. Help me get to 1,000. I gotta get 4,000 hours under the belt, so if you're watching my shorts, that's the reason for the shorts. Me and John Drives Anything are trying to figure out the algorithms, and I think I figured it out. So I'm gonna bombard you guys with shorts.